Well, a little while ago, Tesla and its partner, Boxed, B-O-X-T, made waves with what looked like a bombshell deal for UK homeowners. A full solar and Powerwall 3 system installed for just $199 a month. Now, on the surface, it sounded like an absolute game changer, the key to unlocking energy independence and finally getting a grip on those skyrocketing electricity bills. But I've been digging into the details of that promotion. I've looked at the financing, the fine print, and who it was really for. The reality, as is often the case, is a lot more complicated than a simple headline. So, is this a glimpse into the future of home energy, or is it just a very clever marketing gimmick? This is Dave Takes It On. I'm Dave. Well, let's break it all down. Well, let's be real. The last few years have been brutal for UK energy bills. We've seen prices go through the roof. We've dealt with constant volatility. And there's always that feeling of uncertainty about what's coming next. And the last few months in particular have been an absolute roller coaster in prices. We're all looking for a way out, a path to not just lower bills, but get more predictable ones. Well, the answer's simple enough. Generate your own clean energy, store it in a battery, use it when you need it. You power your home, charge your car, basically tell the grid, thanks, but I've got this. And people are already doing this, but not everyone. See, for most of us, mere mortals, the biggest hurdle has always been the massive upfront cost. A full solar and battery system, big enough to run your entire home, can run into tens of thousands of pounds, putting it well out of reach for most families, no matter how much they want to save or go green. And this is the exact problem that Tesla offer seems to solve. First, let's get one thing straight. This isn't Tesla directly selling a $199 a month package to everyone in the UK. This was a specific and likely time-limited financing offer promoted through their certified installation partner, Boxed. The headline-grabbing deal that got everyone talking is based on an example quote. That example included an 8-panel solar installation and the brand new Tesla Powerwall 3. The magic $199 a month figure comes from a 0% interest financing plan spread over 4 years. Now, it's worth noting that this example also required a deposit, which is around £1,747. And here's a crucial piece of the puzzle. This specific promotional pricing appeared to be heavily targeted at existing Tesla vehicle owners. It looked like a move designed to reward loyalty and pull people deeper into the complete Tesla ecosystem. While non-owners can still get a quote from Boxed, they weren't guaranteed to get this exact promotional rate. So it wasn't a universal price drop, but a targeted financial product. Still, 0% interest deal on this kind of technology is enough to make anyone sit up and pay attention. So why could this still be a genuine game changer? Well, the most obvious win is it smashes the single biggest barrier to entry, the upfront cost. Instead of needing to find well over £11,000 in cash, you look at a deposit of $1,747 and a manageable monthly payment. Spreading that cost over 4 years at zero interest makes the whole deal vastly more accessible. Then there's the hardware itself. The heart of the package is the Tesla Powerwall 3. This isn't just a battery, it's the brain of your home energy system. It's got a usable capacity of 13.5 kilowatt hours, which is a hefty amount of storage that could cover the entire electricity needs for many homes. The Powerwall 3 also comes with a built-in hybrid inverter. Well, this is a key upgrade, as it means you don't need a separate, expensive solar inverter box stuck on your wall. That saves both space and cost. Well, the power output is another huge selling point. The system can deliver continuous 11.5 kilowatts in certain conditions. It's a massive amount of power for a home battery, more than double its predecessor. And it means you can run multiple power-hungry appliances all at once, like an oven, a kettle, even an EV charger, all from your battery without pulling any power from the grid. So to put it into perspective, getting a Powerwall 3 installed on its own in the UK typically costs around £10,000. So getting it bundled with solar panels in a finance package is an attractive idea. One scenario projected that a setup like this could lead to an annual savings of around £1,450 a year on energy bills. But look, treat that as an estimate. Your actual savings will always depend on your energy use, your tariff, and how much sun your roof gets. Well, finally, there's the ecosystem. The seamless integration with the Tesla app is a huge draw. You can watch your energy generation, storage and consumption in real time. The idea of using the app to charge on solar, where your car intelligently waits to charge using only surplus sunshine. That's incredibly powerful. Well, this is the vision Tesla sells, a single system where your house, your battery, your car all work in perfect harmony. Well, now let's have a look for the catch. Well, the biggest catch, as we've touched on, is the eligibility. That $199 a month headline is fantastic marketing, but it seemed to be a special price reserved for a select group, likely Tesla owners. For the general public, it serves more as a great advertisement for the Tesla ecosystem, and that's much more than a directly accessible offer. Now that right there limits its game changer status for the average household, but that's not unique. You see, most special offers have eligibility clauses. Even Tesco offers special prices, but only to club card holders. Not in the same league, certainly, but the system is not unique. Well, second, this is a financing product, not a straight discount. 0% interest is great, brilliant, but you are still committed to a 4-year payment plan and a deposit. Total cost of the system in the example quote is over £11,000. Now you have to compare that total cost against buying a similar system outright from another installer. Depending on the quote you get, it might not be the absolute cheapest way to get a solar and a battery installation, but it is a great way to spread the cost. But before idiots start demanding, well, what about payback times? I only live in a flat. It's only for the rich, etc., etc., etc. Let me just remind you that if this does what it says on the tin, powers your entire house, it is ideal for some. You pay 4 years, then you stop, but continue getting totally free electricity for the rest of your time in that house. And that sure looks a whole lot better to me than paying a utility company for the rest of your entire life. In fact, they even chase you when you die, because your estate will get a final utility bill. Well, the system specs are also just an example. The offer is based on an 8-panel system. If your home is larger, has a higher energy need, or a tricky roof layout, you'll almost certainly need more panels, or you'll be paying more, push up the monthly cost well above the £199. But those options are on offer too. You can choose from a 10 to 12 panel system in the starter bundle. It's 4 or 5 kilowatts and a Powerwall 3, up to a standard renewable bundle, 6 to 7 kilowatts. The promotional offer is for the Tesla bundle, 8 panels and a Powerwall installed. So that implies that the other bundles are non-Tesla specific, but doesn't actually state it. Then there's the backup power. Many people buy a battery for peace of mind during a power cut. However, to get whole home backup with a Powerwall, you often need an additional piece of hardware called a backup gateway. Is this included? I couldn't find it says it is. It's often not included, so might come at an additional cost. Without it, the system will carry on. It'll certainly save you money, but it won't keep your lights on during a grid outage. Finally, while the dream of a fully integrated Tesla energy future is utterly compelling, Tesla now has an electricity supplier license in Great Britain. It is officially a utility company, which is a huge step. If Tesla follows standard practice, this should mean way cheaper utility bills for most and innovative tariffs for Tesla EV and Tesla Powerwall owners. However, full retail service isn't live for all consumers yet. So some of the most exciting potential benefits are still on the horizon, not guaranteed today. So after all that, is the Tesla package a game changer or a gimmick? And the truth is, it's both. It's obviously mainly aimed fair and square at current Tesla owners. It's also a nudge for future Tesla owners to get their first EV, and there's nothing wrong with that here. It should persuade some homeowners with a suitable house who are already thinking about investing in solar and a battery, but are hesitant about the upfront costs and can't find a cheap finance deal. For them, the 0% financing and seamless ecosystem integration is a fantastic proposition. However, for the general public, it leans towards more of a very clever, attention-grabbing marketing strategy that used an attractive monthly figure to draw you into the Tesla unboxed world. The targeted nature of the pricing, the fact that it's a financing plan, and the variable final cost meant the headline offer wasn't the universal solution it might have first appeared to be. But how often do we see this in the real world? Well, it's all the time, as it turns out. Remember those Sky TV packages starting from £41 a month? I bet you don't pay £41 a month with those extra packages. Same applies for your smartphone. Basic model might be £300 or £30 a month, but the one you actually want is never that price. It's just the way of modern working. Most people here will want more and will pay more each month. But does £250 or £300 a month interest-free knock this right out of the court? Definitely not. It is a good package. Does that make this a gimmick? No, it is a marketing strategy. Check the small print, but realise that the system you want and need is not likely to be that headline $199 a month. So ultimately, the most important takeaway is to always look beyond the headline figure. Whether a deal like this is right for you depends entirely on your personal circumstances. Get a personalised quote, understand the total cost, read the fine print about what is and what isn't included, then go out and get your other 3 quotes and see what else others have to offer. Remember, all home batteries, if installed with PV panels, are now 0 rated for VAT. Every little helps. Well, I like it, even though my roof and location are not suitable for solar panels. I suspect the anti-Elon brigade will be out in number. But just look at it and realise you can order the basic package, however big your roof is. You might just not want to. So what do you think? Is this the future of buying home energy, or is it just smart marketing? Now, if you've looked into this deal or already got your own quote, I'd love to hear about your experience. Let me know in the comments down below.